30-day motivated seller challenge. This is day 12, and I'm heading up to go pick up two new bicycle flips. Okay, today is Sunday, and I've already done 2 deals, and I'm about to do 2 more. So I'm gonna total 4 deals today, inshallah, that I'll get these things. Okay, so 2's down already, and the other 2 I'm going to go pick up. And the crazy thing is, I didn't bring a lot of battery for my navigation, so I don't have a whole lot of way to get it there or for my video recording, so I'm going to make the video short. So to wrap it up, today is the 30-day motivated seller challenge, day 12. I've already done 2 flips. One person brought the deal right to my doorstep, and the other one I went and picked up, and if I'm not mistaken, and then I have 2 other ones that I'm going to go pick up. So I'm 2 to pick up, and they're kind of far away. I would say about 17 miles one way. 17 miles one way, and coming back 17 miles. It doesn't include the second location. The second location is close to the first location, maybe like 3 or 4 miles away. So just add that up, round trip. That's what I'm doing. Some of you guys may, have opportunities in front of you, but you have a car, you say, oh man, this is far, I don't want to go do that, right? It might be bicycle flipping, it might be real estate, it might be whatever. So if you're hungry, you'll go do whatever you got to do to make it happen for you. And the more you're willing to do those kind of things, those kind of deals that are far away, the more closer deals come in. Like the 2 that I did today that were super close, right around where my office is, and boom. One brought it to me, and the other one was right around it. So it's like, because I was willing to do the long deals, is why I'm able to get some of the closer deals, but also some of those home runners, like the deals that I got not yesterday, the day before that, where I got this amazing e-bike for just $250. It has 0 miles on it, and they're selling new. It's a pretty popular brand. Okay, so I'm using that. So that right there was a home run for me, and a cargo trailer that I could put my kids in there, which also was a home run. It really, literally had the sticker still on it because the lady couldn't pull it. I bought it from some lady, and she lived in a mega mansion, and she lived it pretty good. So that's how new it was. So I love the new flip. I love the 30-day new flip challenge. Remember that I don't have a car. I'm just cycling by choice. I don't want to have a car anymore. I want to get out of the metrics. I don't have a cell phone. I'm out of the metrics on that as well. So I'm doing all this stuff in a new city. I don't know anyone. I don't have any friends. I don't have any support. And that's totally cool. Some of you guys may be in this type of situation. Some of you guys or gals may only be in one of these situations. But you may be making stories for ourselves, because I know I have, right? But there's great opportunities out here. You know what I mean? This is the one of the hardest times coming to America. It's going to create a lot of opportunities. All you need is like 40, 50 bucks, 100 bucks, 150 bucks, and then you grow it. You know what I mean? That's what I've done with this. Just started with 50 bucks, got a deal, and then flipped it. And then flipped this. Putting the money right back into it. All right, guys, you got to get out of here.